Dear student, welcome to the Your PDF platform. Today I am taking the one of the most important question from the NPTEL assignments. This is our book which will provide you the different types of assignment done by the IITians. So you will get the so many assignments and the so many good questions for preparing and sharpening your preparation for the GATE examination and also the upcoming examination. As you just see, we are just also launching the one of the test series which is totally based on the NPTEL, which is very helpful for you to sharp your concept. So today I am just taking the one of the question which is just belongs to the engineering mechanics, है ना? So the question is given on the page number 348 and the question number is a 184. Try to solve this question. So here I am just talking about this question. The question is saying that in relation to the figure at the instant when xa equals to 0.85 L, the velocity of the slider A is 2 meter per second to the right, the angular speed of the bar omega of the bar AB if the L equals to 0.8. The given data in the question is given data in this question is xa equals to this is the xa. This distance is xa. Xa is given as a 0.85 of L, and here L is given as a 0.8 of meter, and velocity is given to be a which is a point of velocity of a point A. This is the velocity given in of A point. This is a A point and this is a B point. So velocity of A is given to be a 2 meter per second. Now in this case we have to just find out the omega, कि how much omega the rod is going to be rotate. ठीक है, जो हमारी ये ओमेगा किसकी फाइंड करनी है, हमें ए बी की फाइंड करनी है. तो इसको मैं किस तरीके से फाइंड करूंगा? As I see कि this is question is basically belongs to the rotational mechanics. Here the concept of the rotational are taken into consideration, and there is one more method to solve this question to find out the instantaneous center of the rod. अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर को फाइंड करेंगे. व्हाट डू मीन बाय इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर? बेसिकली हमारा होता क्या है कि जब भी हम बात करते हैं किसी भी लिंक के किसी भी एक एलिमेंट की बात करते हो, ना तो ये मेरा नाइदर इट इज अ प्योरली रोटेशनल नॉर इन अ प्योरली ट्रांसलेशन. इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अ ट्रांसलेशन प्लस रोटेशनल. यानी अगर मैं किसी भी लिंक की बात करूं मशीन के अंदर, तो ना तो वो प्योरली रोटेशनल में होता है ना ही प्योरली ट्रांसलेशन में होता है, लेकिन हम इसे एज्यूम करके चलते हैं किसी एक पॉइंट के अबाउट ये क्या है, प्योरली रोटेशनल में है, और उसी पॉइंट को क्या बोल देते हैं हम, इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन. तो सिमिलरली मैं यहां पे मान के चलूंगा कि हमारा ये जो रॉड है ए बी, दैट इज प्योरली रोटेशनल अबाउट एनी आर्बिट्ररी पॉइंट इन द स्पेस, और दैट इज नोन एज अ इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन. क्लियर है? तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर को फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर मेरा बेसिकली होता क्या है कि वो पॉइंट जिसके अबाउट पूरी की पूरी बॉडी या पूरा लिंक मेरा क्या है, प्योरली रोटेशनल में है. वी आर जस्ट एज्यूमिंग दिस अ वर्चुअल वन. ओके, सो हियर आप देख रहे हो कि नीचे मेरा क्या एक स्लाइडर है, इधर मेरा एक स्लाइडर है. तो स्लाइडर बेसिकली होता क्या है, स्लाइडर इज हैविंग द ट्रांसलेशन मोशन. स्लाइडर का हमेशा क्या होता है, स्लाइडर इज ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी स्लाइड बिटवीन द रेल्स. हमारा स्लाइडर क्या कर रहा है, जैसे पिस्टन सिलेंडर की डिवाइस की बात करूं तो मेरा पिस्टन के अंदर जो मेरा सिलेंडर के अंदर पिस्टन क्या कर रहा है, स्लाइड कर रहा है. स्लाइड मतलब ट्रांसलेशन मोशन कर रहा है. और जब भी कोई चीज मेरी प्योरली ट्रांसलेशन में होती है तो उसका जो इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर होता है दैट इज एट अ इन्फिनिटी. अगर मैं बात करूं कोई भी चीज मेरी जो कि प्योरली ट्रांसलेशन में है, उसका हमेशा इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर कहां होगा, इन्फिनिटी. तो अगर मेरा ये स्लाइडर है ऐसे करके मूव कर रहा है, तो वी आर ऑलवेज एज्यूमिंग द इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर इज लाई एट द infinity. So there are two slider at that point. One is here and another one is here. One is a lie at a point A and another one is a lie at a point B. So both of them, the instantaneous center is lie at the infinity for the sliders, for the slider, not for the link, है ना? So we are just going to make the diagram again. Here the diagram is this is a diagram look like. this is a basically diagram. This is a point A and this one is a point B, and A is moving with the velocity of 2 meter per second, and we have to just find out the omega of the AB. Omega of the AB. So what will we do? First of all, just try to do the instantaneous center of the rod AB. For that, we know this is a slider, so slider is always having an instantaneous center at the infinity. So here also the instantaneous center is lie at the infinity, just like this. So this is at infinity for the slider AB. Okay. Similarly, I am just talking about this one. This slider is certain at angle. This is at 60 degree angle given in the question. Okay. So this is also just like infinity. तो यहाँ पे भी इंफिनिटी है, वहाँ भी इंफिनिटी है, और जहाँ पर ये पॉइंट मीट कर रहा होगा इसी को क्या बोल सकता हूँ मैं? इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन ऑफ द रॉड ए बी. तो मैं यहाँ पे बोल सकता हूँ दिस इज द इंस्टेंटेनियस सेंटर ऑफ द रोटेशन ऑफ द रॉड ए बी. सो दिस इज द बेसिक कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस क्वेश्चन. सो इफ यू आर जस्ट एबल टू नो अबाउट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द ए आई, and you can just easily find out the omega of the rod AB because V equals to R omega. Now this V जो rod होगी मेरे किसके about होगी? Point I के about pure rotational में होगी. So the question now here the 60 degree angle, this is in the previous this one you can just see this is 0.85 multiply by the L. So we can just solve this 0.85 multiply by L and is it again 0.8, that is 0.68. 0.85 multiply by 0.8, that is came to be a 0.68 meter. Okay. So first of all, we are just try to solve this by knowing the different angles which are included in here. So this one is the this one is the 0.68 meter, and this angle is again 60 degree given in the question, and this is a length 0.8 meter. So now you have to find out the value of the angles, different angles like this one. Let us say this is a theta 1, this is a delta 2, this is a delta 1 and delta 2. How can you find out the angle? So whenever you can see here, this is not a right angle triangle, so directly you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now I am just applying the sine rules here. Sine rule. Sine rule, what is the sine rule here? So you can just apply like this, 0.68 divided by sine of delta 1 equals to 0.8 upon sine of 60 equals to, if this is something distance like this, अगर मैं इसको भी मान लूँ, हमारा क्या distance हो गया हमारा x1, this is x1 upon sine of delta 2. Okay, so from here you can just calculate the value of a sine delta 1. Sine delta 1 equals to क्या हो जाएगा? 0.68 multiply by sine of 60 upon 0.8. Okay, so the value of 0.68 multiply by sine of 60 divided by 0.8, that is came to be a so here the sine delta is came to be a 47.40 degree. Here the delta 1. So here you can also find out the value of delta 2 by just triangle the sum of angle is equals to 180 degree. So from this 60 degree plus delta 1 plus delta 2 equals to 180 degree. Here the value of delta 1, so you can just calculate the delta 2 from here, that is came to be a 72.59 degree. So now you have the both of them. Now what will you do? What is the use of that? So you can just see here that there is a slider lie here. So now you can just find out the angle of this one and this one and this one. So now you have the value of a delta 1, delta 2. So this one values came to be a, this is 90 minus 72. This value is came to be 17.41 and this value is came to be 90 minus 47.40, 42.6. So we can just make this triangle in the another slide like this. This is came to be a for 17.4 and 14.6. This is angle is 17.4 and 42.6, and this is a length of the member that is given as a 0.8. So if you just know this one, so this is came to be a 17.4, that is 60, that is came to be a 120 degree. This is a point I, this is a point A, this is a point B. So now here you can just also apply the sine rule on the triangle ABI. So where you can just get the 0.8 upon sine of 120 degree equals to AI upon sine of 42.6, and you are also required the AI. So now calculate the value of AI equals to 0.8 into sine 42.6 upon sine of x of x degree. So what is this? This is came to be a 0.8 into sine of 42.6 divided by sine of x of b. So this is came to be a AI is just came to be a 0.625 meter. Now again I am just going to make the triangle. So what will happen in this, how the question of, now you have all values. This is basically our diagram, and this is velocity v of A. This is a point A, this is a point B. VA equals to 2 meter per second. Okay, so now this is a point I, and you have a value of this AI is 0.625. Okay, so here from here you just find out the value of the omega of the rod. So now I know very well that VA equals to क्या हो जाएगा हमारा RA into omega, और here RA equals to क्या हो जाएगा हमारा AI into ओमेगा, और इसकी वैल्यू कितनी है हमारी, VA की वैल्यू 2 मीटर पर सेकंड गिवन है, AI की वैल्यू अभी हम लोगों ने कैलकुलेट करी 0.625 इनटू ओमेगा. सो ओमेगा इज केम टू बी 2 डिवाइड बाय 3.198 रेडियंस पर सेकंड, यानी ओमेगा इज केम टू बी नियर अबाउट 3.2 रेडियंस पर सेकंड. सो इन द if the option are given, you can say this is the option number C are correct. So I think you will enjoy this question, and you can just learn one concept here of the rotational mechanics. Always remember, whenever these types of questions are came to be an examination, so first of all try to find out the instantaneous center of the any rod, any link, or whatever the mechanisms are given here. So here the question based on the slider, or slider is having the pure translation motion. So here the instantaneous center lie at the infinity. So we have just put in the infinity of the both of them, and the intersection is just given the instantaneous center of the rod. Okay, by using this concept we can easily solve so many numericals which are always came into the GATE examination and also the other examination. So try to solve the question from this book, and also we are just launching the test series of the NPTEL, and join the test series and just go through the good questions of the assignments which are just provided in the test series. Thank you so much for joining us.